Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about f of x equals to this one. Now if I put the negative sign cone here, so this is about the absolute value, so you got about positive. This one, that is about even power, so you got about positive in here. And we know that this one, that is about f of x. So we can see that this is about even function. And we know that this is about the symmetric on the bounds. So this one, that is equals to number 2. And we have the integration from 0 to number 1. So from 0 to number 1, that is about the positive of x. So we can cancel the absolute value. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 cone here, and we got about u equals to number 1. So the bound we keep the same. This one we change for u. To s, the s we change for the u. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.